There once was a city with a deep gray sea, with a deep gray sky, and the deepest, the grayest people. Their laughter, a rumble, whispers carried on the breeze. A city of steel where hope bloomed, though often feeble. Screams loud, but factories sang their song. Skeletons of buildings pierce the sky choked with smoke and ash. Where children chase pigeons, now shadows crawl along. A city of ghosts where memories turn to a bitter mash. But under the rubble, a flicker, a spark remains. Unyielding spirit, a fire that refuses to die. In basements they gather, beneath the blood and the pains. They sing in the darkness, a lullaby, a defiant cry. Mariupol, though broken, your heart will forever beat, a testament to courage. A city strong and unbowed will wait for the sunrise, for peace on this war-torn street and rebuild from the ashes a future vibrant and proud.